Mrs. Bupkis. What a colorful babushka. It's as bright as this beautiful day. Good morning, person I see every day and don't really know. Good morning, Geneva. Since it's before noon, I know you're not there. But that doesn't bother me, because today is perfect.
There's my little cupcake.
Ooh, are we doing nicknames already?
I'm here, sweet stuff. Cupcake Cuddle.
What's going on?
What's going on is we're trying to rehearse for a parade, and you're raining on it. A dark, depressing, cold, lifeless rain.
Knick-Knack's been invited to appear in the Celebration of Toys parade as our characters, Sweetie and Sprinkle, the Taste Buds.
As you know, the Taste Buds are best friends. So I figured I'd play the boyfriend, and I needed someone to be the girlfriend.
And you picked Geneva?
Yeah? Who else did I pick?
Well, isn't there someone else you'd want to be your sweetie?
Of course there is. But I need Aster to choreograph the dance number.
Oh, okay. I'll see you later, though, right?
Absolutely. The parade route goes right past the Knick-Knack building.
Buckle up and hold on tight. You and me on a wild ride. We're gonna own it and change the game. Together we'll make it all the way. Through all the ups and all the downs. We'll always find a way around. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. You got me. I got you. Here we go.
Bowie, you know how you told me Jarvis loves me?
I did? That doesn't sound like something I'd say.
Yes, it does. It sounds exactly like something you'd say. Because you said it.
Well, if I said it, it must be true. Because I always tell the truth. Anyway, can we talk about this later? I'm late for a flight and the plane can't take off without its pilot.
I don't get it. Jarvis has had plenty of opportunities to tell me how he feels about me, and he never does.
So, who cares?
I do. Since the day we met, I've been kind of, sort of, a little madly in love with him.
Really? I didn't know you liked Jarvis. Or any guy. Or any person. Or any living thing. Except for me, of course. But girls love pilots. Especially one who's a war hero.
I was never in love with you, Bowie. That was just a trick to make Jarvis see me as girlfriend material.
So you lied? What kind of person does that? Anyway, gotta go. They're naming a park after me. I died defending this great country.
But if Jarvis loves me, why won't he say anything?
Okay. The truth is, Jarvis is really shy. So shy, in fact, that you should never expect him to say anything about this. Ever.
Jarvis is shy?
Super, incredibly, unbearably shy.
I can't wait to do the cupcake can in front of thousands of people.
Oops, almost forgot my helmet. I can't see. Awesome! No one else is crazy enough to do this. Sorry, dude. Couldn't see what just happened, dude, but it sounded like you took your helmet off. I better take mine off, too. Whoa! You're a girl dude, dude! I haven't seen you before, because I had my helmet over my eyes. Are you from around here?
Nince, mizatora porvagishna and Gararutsky. From Miskatania.
Okay, I figured out what I need to do about Jarvis being too shy to tell me how he feels.
Forget the whole thing and live out the rest of your days sad and alone? Perfect!
No, I'm gonna tell Jarvis I know he's in love with me.
You can't do that.
I get it. You don't want Jarvis to know you're the one who gave away his secret. But don't worry. I won't tell him I talked to you. I won't tell anyone I talked to you. Like always. I can't wait till this is all out in the open. It's gonna be a dream come true.
Yeah, the dream where Piper tells Jarvis she knows he's in love with her even though he isn't because I made the whole thing up. Wow, my dreams are really no different than what happens when I'm awake.
Bowie, you fell asleep in the middle of our conversation. Anyway, I'm gonna tell Jarvis I know he's in love with me. It's gonna be a dream come true.
Mrs. Bubkiss, I need to ask you something.
Okay.
About Miss Catania.
No way! Knox is onto me. I didn't think Knox was onto anything. Got to find a way to sneak past him.
Mrs. Bubkiss, your shed is trying to get away. Before it does, I need your help. I met an amazing girl. Her name is Souris, and she's from Miss Catania, just like you.
You think Bobcat's Miskatanian?
Yeah, of course you're Miss Catanian. That's why I want your help. I want to impress this girl. So I want you to teach me the ways of Miskatanian love.
Sure. Look over there.
Hey, sweetie, you know what the best part about being a cupcake is?
What's that, Sprinkle?
Icing.
Don't you mean we sing?
We're the taste buds, here's our recipe.
A cup of smiles and a pinch of licking.
Mix in some joy, and then right after,
Add giggles and fun and a whole lot of laughter.
do this every day, and you'll soon be
A happy little cupcake, just like me.
Great job, guys! You didn't just show us how to bake, you showed us how to butcher. My choreography!
Okay, I'm gonna talk to Jarvis.
You can't! He's busy rehearsing. Then he's got the parade and college, marriage, kids, grandkids, and ultimately death. Wait! Don't you want a snack first? You can't spill your guts on an empty stomach.
Geneva, are you all right?
Can you still sing in the parade?
I don't see why not. A cup of smiles and a pinch of hee-hee.
The parade! A long, slow parade route right next to Jarvis is the perfect chance to tell him I know he loves me. I'll take Geneva's place. I can be your sweetie.
You? No way. Geneva's fine.
Why is everything moving? Are we in the parade already?
Okay, time to help me prepare for my date. I'll be me. You be a young, pretty Miskatanian girl. No, I said I'll be me. Hello there, Souris.
Oh, Knox. Hello.
I brought you some flowers.
No flowers. Venomous cobras.
A bouquet of venomous cobras? How romantic! How about my cologne? You think she'll like it?
Rotten eggs.
Miskatanian girl's like a guy who smells like rotten eggs? But I don't smell like rotten eggs. Never mind. I do.
Wow, Piper, you make a great sweetie.
So do you.
I'm Sprinkle, not Sweetie.
Well, I thought we could talk about that during the parade. When does it start?
I think now! What's going on? What kind of idiot is driving this thing?
I'm pretty good for a guy who's never had a driving lesson. Oops, almost forgot my helmet.
Mrs. Bubkiss, I followed all your advice with Saurus.
Tough luck.
No, she loved everything.
She did?
Yeah, she was so impressed. She showed me her pampushkis. Which, as you know, are traditional Muscatanian puff pastries. I wanted to thank you, so I got you a little something. Anyway, Saurus and I are having a dinner date right here on the roof. The problem is, I told her I speak fluent Muscatanian. And then I ran away before ever having to actually speak any fluent Muscatanian. If she finds out, I'll never enjoy her pampushkis again.
Muscatanian, impossible to learn. Trust me.
Sounds like a really tough language. I mean, it seems to change every time I hear you speak it. But I have a plan. Have you ever read the play Cyrano de Bergerac? Neither have I. I was hoping you would help me with my homework. Anyway, back to my date with Saurus. What if I wear an earpiece and you just tell me what to say over the phone in clear, perfect Muscatanian?
No.
I know what you're worried about, but she won't find out if you hide in here. You should really put those in water. Or some kind of reinforced sack.
I don't understand why we're moving so fast.
I don't understand why we're moving so slowly. Because I know. I know that. You're in love with me. Jarvis? Wow, that's true. Guys disappear when you talk about feelings.
Bowie? Oh, hey, Jarvis, how's it going?
Too fast! That's how it's going!
I'm glad you dropped by. I was wondering what you and Piper were talking about up there. Maybe you could fill me in.
Why is Jarvis dangling off the side of the float? That is not part of the choreography!
How about Piper barfing? Is that part of the choreography? Jarvis, thank goodness. How'd you get the driver to slow down?
I just talked to him reasonably. And since it was Bowie, I also punched him in the neck. At least we can finally be taste buds.
Jarvis, I've been trying to tell you something. I know how you feel.
A combination of nauseous and relieved that I didn't fall to my death.
Not about that. I know that you... Wow! Bowie, what are you doing?
Stopping you from making the biggest mistake of your life. I'm sorry, Piper, but Jarvis doesn't love you.
What?
I made the whole thing up because I thought you were in love with me. And I didn't think it would be such a big deal because I didn't know you were in love with Jarvis.
Bowie?
Jarvis, did you hear what I just said?
No, I was kind of fixated on the fact that you're supposed to be driving right now.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, Piper, but you'll get through this. That is assuming I get back to the wheel in time.
We're the taste buds, here's our recipe.
Cup of smile and a pinch of clean.
Mix it the good, and then right after,
Giggles of fun and a whole lot of laughter.
do this every day, and you'll suit me.
Happy little cupcake, just like me.
What's Piper doing? All my hard work is being ruined!
Are you wearing makeup?
Of course. How do you think I
Ooja, rotten eggs.
Well, I have the perfect romantic Mescatanian response to that. Boing, boing, boing.
Oi, nous avons ein goosh goosh. Make toast?
Yes, I should make a toast. In Mescatanian, which I speak.
I can't make a Mescatanian toast. I can only make Mescatanian toast. But not very well.
Just say something romantic in Mescatanian.
Wieso das nein oder Kidsverhisch? Talk to shed?
Run, Chad! Run!
Just cleaning.
Niet wat stellen or das ne watna. Not understand.
Bobkes Mescatanian.
Niven kulu gana Lutski. And a 500 nosh got tosh. Gibberish.
Mrs. Bubkiss, she doesn't understand a single word you're saying. Okay, maybe a single word. The one you put at the end of every sentence that sounds a lot like English. There's only one reason she wouldn't understand what you're saying. She's a fake Mescatanian! Wouldn't be surprised if that were a mask!
Mina von Togamo. Gush babush. Goodbye, pumpushkis.
She's leaving! How am I gonna get my hands on more palm pushkis?
Don't look at me.
Well, that parade was a disaster. We weren't the taste buds. We were the taste studs. Really, the entire ride home, that's all you came up with? I don't know what was wrong with Piper. I'd really been looking forward to spending some time with her away from work. Why? Because I haven't told anyone this, but I like her. Like? Piper? Piper. Really? Stop it! When Piper first started at Knick-Knack, I knew she was smart, but I didn't know much else about her. Over the last year, I've seen so many different sides of her. She's funny, she's crazy talented with her music, and underneath all the dark clothes and sarcasm, she's actually a really sweet person. Plus, let's be honest, she's beautiful. Piper? Yes! I think I'm in love with her. Wow. So you're not talking like. You're talking love-like? I had no idea you felt that way. I guess when it comes to stuff like this, I'm shy. I knew I told the truth at some point today. Plus, I don't think she likes me, or any guy, or any person, or any living thing. But she does. She feels the same way about you. I doubt that. Piper was so upset about spending the day with me, she actually cried. Plus, if she was into me, at some point she would have dropped a hint.
Jarvis brains! We're in the same history class and English class. We're not in the same math class, but sometimes I go anyway because I love you. Clitty and geometry.
Why am I hot?
Your arms, your hair, your face, your eyes.
Hey, Piper, can I have your phone?
Number? Of course. And you can call anytime, day, night, now. You guys are the best. Partial group hug?
Yet not one hint. Piper doesn't like me. I have to accept that we're just meant to be friends. Piper, I have something to say that I think will have a greater impact when you're actually in the room to hear it. Oh, great. Not only is Piper now dead, but my fingerprints are all over the crime scene.
I'm not dead, Bowie. I'm just dead inside. Jarvis doesn't love me. I can't believe you lied about that.
Here's the thing. My lie wasn't a lie. Jarvis actually does love you.
Nice try, Bowie. Stop trying to make me feel better.
I'm not. I would never try to make you feel better.
I get it. Jarvis doesn't love me. I have to accept that we're just meant to be friends.
This is crazy. Jarvis and Piper are in love and no one's doing anything about it. No one but me. I'm making it my mission to get those two together and nothing will distract me from it. Hello. My name's Bowie. Well, Captain Bowie. I'm a pilot.
Hi, Navai. Katarinanin. At the Noiganaruski, fly me to Miss Catania.
Fly you to Mesopotania? Sure, let me get my hat.
Rotten egg, cologne for men.
I'm P. Everett Knickknack. The P stands for...
Perfume.